Welcome guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can connect your Jabra Move Style Edition with your Android smartphone. Okay, so the first we have to focus on the right headphone, this one. We can find right here this sliding button, and we have to move it to this position and hold it until this indicator starts blinking. So let's make it right now. Move it and hold. As you can see right now it's blinking on the blue, so we can release to the neutral position. Next, we have to open the Bluetooth settings on our Android smartphone. And right now just take a look. Right here, after a few seconds they will pop on the list. And there it is. So tap on them once. Accept pairing request. And that's all. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.